Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 9th of March 2025 and I'll be going over my weekly prediction for Tesla. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review the prediction from 2 weeks ago and this one in more detail. But before getting into the video, it's important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. But with that out of the way, let's get into the video. So, monthly charts we can see have been quite tumultuous for Tesla. We had this falling wedge, a breakout upwards, then another falling wedge, and this other breakout upwards, and we've been a part of every single one of these. Now, we see a huge decline in the last 2 months, and this is again largely because of Trump and Tesla's earnings, but now more recently because of Trump's tariffs. We see RSI crashing back down. It was starting to go back up, and then it's clearly coming down now. And MACD, that's no signal yet, but we can see volume spiked a little bit higher last month, and we expect this to be again quite a bearish month for Tesla, March as well, considering the political standpoints that President Donald Trump is taking is not necessarily great for the American market so far. Now, RSI, we can see in the weekly charts even more clearly how far it's crashed down. MACD has been negative, and the histogram is increasing per candle. This clearly shows that we are in a strong bearish trend for the weekly charts in Tesla. We see volume has increased this last 2 weeks as well, and we are basically in a downward channel, and I've drawn that out here. So clearly we see this downward channel, and I'll cover the entry points when we get to the Excel sheet, but very, very, very bearish signal coming from the weekly charts. Even more in detail, we can see the daily charts, this downward channel price action. RSI is very negative, and MACD very negative. It's been negative for a while. So yeah, all around bearish signals for Tesla, and I expect that to continue these next few weeks. And yeah, that's what we get from the technical analysis. So last week again was profitable. 2 weeks ago's prediction was profitable. Feel free to look through. It was very profitable. It was actually almost a 20% profit. So feel free to look through these values. This week we will buy Tesla when it crosses if it crosses 273.79, and sell when it falls below 255. With a target of 2%. Okay, see, this would be correct if it's for 1 week, but since we are looking at 2 weeks, we could really say 4% here and a trailing stop loss of 2%. If neither is hit, then we will close on Friday. And the weekly trend is bearish and the monthly trend is bullish for now. That can be subject to change. That's all for this video. Actually, no, wait. Now that if you really think about it, we could definitely call this bearish. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.